Your Pixel phone has a nifty little feature called Guest Mode, which allows you to hand your phone to someone else without giving them access to your personal apps, messages, photos, or accounts. It creates a clean, temporary version of your phone that feels like a brand new device. When you switch back to your main profile, everything is exactly as you left it. You can turn on Guest Mode with a few taps in the quick settings, but on some phones, you'll need to enable it first in your settings. We'll go to Settings, and from there, scroll down to System. In the System settings, we'll then scroll down, and towards the bottom, you'll see a Users menu. We'll go there and use the toggle up top to allow user switching. There's a few other options here as well, like allowing user switching from the lock screen. Now that user switching is enabled, I'll swipe down from the top right corner to open my quick settings, and then swipe again to view the full panel of controls. If you look at the bottom right corner, you'll see a few toggles, a power switch, settings, and a small profile icon for my current user account. Tap that, and you can select your user. You can either create multiple users, or you can just use a guest user. Switching to the guest profile will set your phone to a new, clean slate, where everything looks just like it would when you first unbox a new phone. Default wallpaper, default apps, and none of your personal info. The guest user won't see your photos or private apps, but they can otherwise use the phone normally. They could download apps from the Play Store, but they'll need to log into their Google account first, since that's one of the basic requirements for downloading anything from the Play Store. Once they're done, you can do the same profile switch through the quick settings to exit the guest profile. The phone will switch back to your main profile, and everything will be exactly like it was before. And of course, your main profile won't be accessible until you unlock your phone. And that's pretty much it. It's a nice little feature that allows you to let others use your phone without giving them access to your private stuff. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.